Sa kabila ng krisis na dala ng COVID-19 pandemic, patuloy na bumabawi ang ilang kumpanya sa bansa. Sa Clark, nagbukas na ang Awesome Group na isang Swedish leather manufacturing company. Sa pagbubukas ng naturang kumpanya, nakapagbigay ito ng trabaho sa higit 100 empleyado na pawang residente ng rehiyon.
Our plan is to fill this factory fast and create more opportunities and create jobs, projecting around 400 to 500 manpower requirement in the next 2 to 3 years.
Ang mga produkto ay export quality rin at nakaabot din sa Europe, Asia, Amerika at iba pang panig ng mundo. Ito'y mga leather casing ng isang kilalang e-book. Dahil hindi pa nga tapos ang pandemya, kaliwat kanan din ang ipinatutupad na health at safety protocols para sa kapakanan ng mga empleyado.
We had to manage employees during the trial, pre-production run builds, continuously reminding everyone to follow the stringent safety and COVID-19 protocols while working, but knowingly as well that when everybody gets out, that they are on their own. We had to manage delays brought by situations and circumstances that were beyond our influence and control in lieu of this pandemic situation.
Ayon kay CDC President Manuel Garla, nananatiling isa sa mga top industry ang manufacturing sa loob ng Clark. Malaking bagay raw ito upang mapanatili ang magandang ekonomiya ng Freeport at employment rate sa rehiyon. Hinikayat din ng CDC ang iba pang Swedish locators at tourists upang bisitahin ng Clark.
We promote Clark not only for work but also for the quality of life that we offer here, our infrastructures, and of course the adventures that we bring to the family.
Ayon naman kay Swedish Ambassador Annika Thunberg, patunay ang pagbubukas ng Awesome sa mas pinatatag na economic relations ng Sweden at Pilipinas. Malaking patunay umano ang pagbubukas ng Awesome Group na isang economic powerhouse ng Clark.
I think it is important for Swedish companies to look outside of Metro Manila for investment and trade opportunities. And Clark should be a top priority due to its strategic location, proximity to transport hubs, and of course, its support to investors.
Ito na ang ikalimang branch ng Awesome Group na mayroon ding opisina sa Sweden, Hong Kong at China. Rainiel Pawid, CLTV News.